Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Spark Riddles, where the fun never stops. It's time for Would You Rather, Food Edition. Let the cravings begin. In this video, you'll face 15 tasty questions, but you only have 10 seconds to choose each one. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to Brain Spark Riddles for more exciting challenges. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Would you rather eat pizza or burger? Which one wins your heart? Would you rather eat donut or cupcake? It's a sweet battle. Tell us your favorite dessert. Would you rather eat fries or nuggets? Only one can stay on your plate. What's your pick? Would you rather eat tacos or burrito? It's a tough call. Which one makes your mouth water more? Would you rather eat ice cream or cake? The ultimate party dessert showdown. What wins? Would you rather eat pasta or noodles? Comfort food face-off. What warms your soul? Would you rather eat popcorn or chips? Snack time. Which one do you reach for first? Would you rather eat chocolate or lollipop? Sweet versus sweeter. Which one rules your world? Would you rather eat waffles or pancakes? Breakfast battle. Which one gets your morning vote? Would you rather eat sandwich or hot dog? Street food versus homemade. What fills you up best? Would you rather eat muffin or brownie? Dessert lovers, this is a hard one. What's your pick? Would you rather drink milkshake or smoothie? Creamy or fruity? Which drink do you crave? Would you rather use ketchup or mayo? The dip debate is on. What's going on your fries? Would you rather eat cookie or pie? Crunchy or gooey? What's your sweet spot? Would you rather eat sushi or steak? Fancy feast time. Which one would you choose on a special night? If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brain Spark Riddles for more awesome challenges.